Right about that into the rat girls. 130, you need a little way home. $130, down to 130. Go, 30, all over 130. Gentlemen down here at the back. Okay, from Blundstone to Paul has been down there at Emily Rural all day. We say thanks. Blundstone still cap boots. Okay. Yeah, you can change whatever size you want. Okay,
Chat ears. Have a good one.
$100 done. That's it. 100 Billy. 110. 60, 70. 170. 170 Billy. 178. 180 down at 180. You're still captain Bill. 180 down here, 180. 180 down, 180 down.
Why is he getting a new car? I'm getting a new car. Wait, he's going to see it open.
I don't think that's
That's cool. Yeah, I know.
Just come up here now if you haven't down in there.
Exactly. Bullshit. Bullshit, but kid friendly. Bull dust. Nah, bull dust. Sit down.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a good deal. You're on. You got me there. There you go. Neither am I. This one's
It's still better than the other one.
No, we want to look at the ball use.
You want the car keys? Yeah. Just in case you want to put stuff in the fridge or I don't know. Yeah, I'll chuck them in.
He's just been out there.